We are learning to read punctuation correctly. This helps us understand what we're reading better, so it's an important strategy. Before I read, I like to sometimes have a little look at what is coming up ahead. For example, I can see straight away that we've got speech marks here. Speech marks tell us that someone is talking. So sometimes I like to change my voice if somebody is talking. I can also see an exclamation mark here. An exclamation mark means that I give it a little bit more energy when I'm reading to emphasize my point. I can also see a couple of commas. Commas, remember, make us have a little pause where we stop our reading. So here's an example. If you don't feed us, Jolly Roger, we will not work for you, said Little Pirate. You will have to catch some fish, said Big Pirate. Jolly Roger went to get his fishing line. On this page, I can see some different types of punctuation. I've still got little commas, I've still got some speech marks, but I've also got a question mark down here. And when I read a question, my voice changes again. So have a little listen. It was a hot day, and Crow was thirsty. She dipped her beak into a jug of water, but the water was too far down. Oh no, thought Crow. I'm so thirsty. What can I do? If I don't read the punctuation correctly and carefully, this is what it could sound like. It was a hot day and Crow was thirsty. She dipped her beak into a jug of water, but the water was too far down. Oh no, thought Crow, I'm so thirsty, what can I do? So you can see the difference. Reading the punctuation carefully and correctly means that I get a better understanding of what's going on in the story.